Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial we're going to show you how you can customize or change the color of guides in your documents on Inkscape. So let's get started. So guys, for this method you will need to access your document properties. There are three ways how you can achieve this. Option number one, you click into File in the top left in your document and select Document Properties. Option number two, you right click into your canvas here or page, select Document Properties, and option number three, you use the shortcut Shift-Control-D, alternately Shift-Command-D if you're using a Mac. So once you're in your Document Properties, wait for it to finish loading, and after that what you want to do, guys, is navigate to the Guides tab here at the top, and you may enable or disable these guides, and you may lock them. Also in here you may change the guide color and the highlight color. You may also create guides around the current page or delete them, but for this tutorial we're going to change the color of them. So this is going to open up the guideline color wheel here, so you can use this to find your preferred color. You may also use the triangle here in the middle, adjust the tone of the color, the brightness, the transparency here, or opacity. And yeah, apply this to your guides you would like to or you wish to use for your document, guys. So that's how it works. Thanks for watching and have a fantastic day.